Respect is such a important thing in our culture of being Samoan. If you, as a Samoan, do not say the word Tulou and you're walking past people, trust and believe me, if it's an older person, depending who it is, you can pass on by and forget to say excuse me in our language, which is Tulou. And then all of a sudden you'll just be woken up like, oh man, what happened? And your siblings looking at you like, boy, you just got your ass knocked the hell out. Because the OGs will definitely throw you with something. It can be
hell yeah,
brick. You know what I'm saying? It could be anything that their hand touches. And guess what? None of us will even give a damn. We'll be like, that's what your ass gets for being disrespectful. You know?
Know your role.
Know your role, man. It's blasphemy if you don't do that.